In this video, I'm going to show you how to use AI to create Miro board. So first, let's open up a board that we have for here. And here you will see create with AI on the very top of our toolbar. So for example, we have table right here, click on table. And for example, generate a project tracker table with task owners, deadlines, and status columns. Now it will automatically generate the content for us. Just wait for it to get ready. And once it's done generating, it will automatically show up on our board. So let's just wait for the AI to generate our content. And once it's done, you can see that it is right here. And if you want to apply it to Canvas, just click on apply to Canvas. And here you will see that the AI made task and the owner and the deadline and the status and what the priority of the task is. And that's about it. That's how to use AI to create Miro board. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.